Using math to find out when your dad is coming back with the milk.
In
It's
the
got
last
6
video,
million
we went
views.
over what limits are and how to find them. So in this video, we are going to go over a real-life application of limits to find when your dad is coming home.
Khan Academy.
Your dad
Running
went
out
to
of
the
content,
grocery
dude.
store with $3 to buy some milk. It's been 15 years and he hasn't come back. So firstly, let's set up a graph, where the x-axis represents how far your dad is from home, the distance, and the y-axis represents the time until your dad gets home, the time. Now, one point of confusion for people doing this problem is that usually the x-axis is the one that defines time. However, in this case, the y-axis represents time, because I am Asian and I get to make the math rules. I am Asian. The next step is to set
Game
up the
theory.
equation.
When will dad come home?
Your dad left with $3, and is going to obtain 1 liter of milk, which requires 1 trip to the grocery store, which is 1x distance away from your home. So that means the equation is 3 for $3 over x. But realize if x is negative, that means y is also negative, and time cannot be negative. So the equation is actually the absolute value of 3 over x. If we graph that out, the function looks something like this.
I love that he actually knows the math.
In order to find out when your dad arrives home, we must take the limit as x goes to 0 of the function f of x.
I don't know.
Actually,
yeah.
let's switch to a different color here. F of x. Basically, as the x value approaches 0, what value does the y value approach? As you can see on our graph,
0.
The y value, or time it takes until your dad gets home,
I'm like so eager to impress the teacher. 0.
The limit as x approaches 0 in respect to the equation of the absolute value of 3 over x is infinity. So basically, your dad is never coming home. Never coming home.
Love his tone.
And there's your final solution. Let's move on to the next problem. Let's say...
That's freaking awesome. As someone whose dad genuinely left, I feel personally attacked, outed, humiliated, and milkless. This is perfect. He literally got that Khan Academy feeling perfectly the same audio quality, speech patterns, tones, and mannerisms. The limit does not exist. It's infinity, bro. Well, it's infinitely approaching 0. It will forever approach 0, but not reach 0. As x approaches 0. Oh no, y approaches infinity. No, you're right. I'm a dumbass. Well, I mean, I had dinner with my dad last weekend, so I guess I'm all right. Damn. And I suck at math. And my dad's a math teacher. My dad would probably leave me if he knew that I got that wrong. As y approaches infinity, x approaches 0. Right.